Hello user, in this video I will demonstrate how to check whether the content is properly formatted, the content is properly tagged or not. And if there is problem, then trace the problem and tell your user who is creating the content. First of all, visit the course, then click on Turn Editing On button. Then see if the formatting of text is looking proper, whether there are double spaces. If you don't want the double spaces to come in the between the topic, then please make the notes and provide to the user so that he can delete the double space. See whether proper things are made bold, italic, whether they are properly aligned, and so on. So you have to properly review whether the topic is properly formatted or not. You can see whether image are coming properly or not, or in place of image any different icon is coming rather than the proper image. Once you have checked the formatting of the content, and one more thing I would like to add on this, like you also have to see whether the proper headings are looking correct or not, whether the main heading is proper, has given heading 1, whether the second level heading is given heading 2, and so on. Once you have reviewed this thing, then you should click on a button which is Preview in Tablet. When you click on this, you can see how this text is going to look on the tablet. If you want any kind of changes, please ask your user to make the changes and update the text. Once you are satisfied with the formatting, then see and click on the Go to Block section. There you will find the sections are defined, whether the sections are properly defined and the blocks are properly named. Once you are satisfied with this as well, then click on Edit Tagging button. And see whether they have created proper block and provided relevant information with the block. Also whether they have provided correct reading time with the block or not. If you are not satisfied, update them and get the changes done. Also here, please notice whether they have created small blocks, big block, whether same thing are included in the same block or there are very big blocks. If they have created big blocks, then ask them to create small blocks so that it will be visible in the tablet and the student can read the things. If in case you find the number of blocks are more and the topic content is big, then divide the content of the topic into 2 topics. So you just have to copy paste half section in another topic and then you have to do the tagging. Once you are satisfied and you feel everything is looking good, you can congratulate your user for doing proper formatting and tagging the content. Thank you everyone. Enjoy reading.